Hi guys, so today we'll be continuing from where we stopped the last time. Today we'll be looking at uploading products to your store. If you're watching this video, you must have registered an account as a vendor and been approved by Afiaprime admin. So this video will be demonstrating how to upload products to your store. Of course, to go to the website, you go to your browser and enter afiaprime.com, and it brings you to the landing page. You go to sign in, and on the login panel, you enter your email and your password. And you click login. And then this takes you into your dashboard. To upload products to your store, it's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is go to products, go to the left pane of your vendor portal, click on products. Either you click add products here or here, either of them works. So you click on add a new product. Since this is an art store, we're going to try and upload what looks like a work of art. So, of course, by now you should have your product pictures, the details of the product. Let's name our product Art Work A. Description. This is for demonstration purposes. This isn't how I would do it, assuming I was setting up a real store. This is a beautiful work of art. Please buy it. And then we'll go to category. Okay. Art and crafts, because this is an art store and this product is a work of art. We're going to place it in the art and crafts category, and then you check for subcategory to select the specific thing it is. So it could be African art, crafting supplies, fabric and textile, handmade products, jewelry making, painting and drawing, etc. So what we're going to upload looks more like not painting and drawing. Let's just say painting and drawing. We select a subcategory. It's very important. At this point, you can't upload any images yet. You have to save the details first before you'd be able to upload images. Of course, it's written here, save the product first to upload images. And then they tell you supported image format. Your images have to be either JPEG, PNG, WebP, and it must be a maximum of 5 MB. So you have to avoid using images that are 5.1 MB and above. And now, here you have product type. This is the part that confuses people a lot. Now, we have simple product and we have product with variants. I'll explain the both of them. Here there's a quick explanation. Simple products usually have single price, stock level, and SKU for the entire product. It's usually simple, like this piece of art. It exists alone. Okay, it doesn't have variations of it. Like Samsung TV, for instance, a car. So many products that are simple, there are no variations. Now, products with variations are products that have multiple variations with different prices, stock, and SKUs. For instance, a shirt can have different sizes, it can have different colors. Okay, so when you're uploading a very simple product, that's a product that doesn't have different versions of it, you upload this as a simple product. It has it's just it. It could be books, of course. There are examples here: books, electronics. There are so many of them. Okay, so for it, when a customer is ordering that kind of product, they don't have to select size or color. But if the product you're trying to upload has different variations where a customer might want to choose by size or color or whatever other indices or metrics, you have to upload those products as product with variants. But we'll demonstrate that later. Let's do for simple products now. So here we enter our product price. Let's say we want to sell this ad for 50,000. Remember, you don't have to put any commas, just write out the figure in full. And you say how many you have in stock. Let's say you have 5 in stock. If you have a discount price, let's say our current price is 50,000, but we want to sell it for 45,000. The discount price is what you enter here. But if you're not doing any discount, you can leave it empty. Even after you've uploaded this product and in future you want to do a discount on this particular product, you can easily edit your product and put a discount price. For the SKU, you don't have to write anything there. It generates automatically and you see it in this video. So now the last part, or the second to the last part, is product features. Here you highlight key features about your product. I can decide to say, okay, this depends on the product you're uploading, but for this demonstration I can say beautiful frame, or I can say beautiful wooden frame. I add another feature. It could be anything. Say colorful, and so on and so forth. And then what I do is to do what? Save product. And this product is created successfully. Once I click on save, it then opens up this image for me to upload the product image. The product image is usually the last step to upload the product. So I select images, and then it opens my computer, and I look for the pictures I've taken before now. And yeah, I select the right one and I wait for it to upload. Just a few seconds, less than 30 seconds, and it uploads. And that's that. Then what you do, you go back to your product to see whether this uploaded successfully. And when I go back to my products, I can see that my product uploaded successfully. I can see that the stock is 5. The system recognizes it as low stock, the price. And then if we go to the home page, you won't see this product because it is not published nor featured. Featured products appear on the home page. Published products just appear on the marketplace. Now, the last thing you do is to toggle this button to publish your product. And then you feature as well. Voila, you have your product on the platform. Let's go and check. We go to the home page. That's our product. Because it's a new product, we just uploaded it. It's on the featured part of the website. It's on the featured page. You can decide to take a look at this product. You know, that is the art, the price, the SKU automatically generated, the vendor name, you know, the description you wrote, specifications. Assuming someone has bought this product before and then left a review, customers can see reviews here. So you see, just like that, very simple and easy and straightforward, we've uploaded our very first product.